You guys have to check this out. Open sesame. Wow, no better feeling than that. I don't have to use my hand to open up the lid, get my hands dirty and, you know, very unsanitary. This opens automatically. Best feature, hands down. No puns intended. Just unbox and you will get user manual. It contains full information, so you don't need to worry about installation and everything else. You will get other accessories like Teflon tape, sealing ring, inlet valve, filter, and beautiful remote control. And the futuristic, amazing design smart toilet itself. You don't need anything else or anyone to install this smart toilet. Everything is in this box. Isn't that incredible? That's just wild. And down goes the lid. This is the DeerValley Smart Toilet, the DV-1S0159-V3. This is a well-designed modern upgrade for anybody who's looking for comfort, convenience, and efficiency in a toilet. Right away, the build quality stands out. The exterior has a clean, minimalist design. It feels solid. The finish looks premium and is compact enough to work in standard spaces without looking bulky. One of the biggest benefits is its lids automatically opening and closing. So it opens up when you approach it, and when you're done with your business, you walk away, it automatically closes for you. It's a small detail, but it makes your daily use feel more hygienic, effortless, and convenient. The heated seat is another highlight, especially in colder climates or early in the morning. The temperature is adjustable and it warms up quickly, making it much more comfortable than your standard toilet seat. The best feature, with self-cleaning nozzle, it has also warm wind drying system as well. It has equipped with an automatic self-cleaning system that rinses itself before and after each use to ensure optimal hygiene. For additional cleaning, you can extend the nozzle using the remote control and gently wipe it with a soft cloth. It is also equipped with a gentle night light, providing soft and soothing illumination during nighttime visits. This toilet features a pre-wet technology and siphonic jet system that automatically moistens the inner toilet wall to prevent waste adherence, ensuring easier cleaning and guaranteeing a powerful and efficient flush every time. You can set your desired set temperature and relax as the seat warms up to provide a cozy and soothing experience. The built-in bidet functions are well thought out. You get adjustable water pressure, adjustable water temperature, and front and rear wash options. The spray is consistent and the positioning is accurate, and overall it provides much a cleaner experience compared to using toilet paper alone. And after washing, the warm air dryer is a useful addition. It is not overly strong, but it reduces the need for paper and it adds a hands-free experience. The LED nightlight is subtle, but it's practical. It provides enough visibility for nighttime use without being too bright or disruptive. This toilet uses a tankless flushing system, which means fast refills and powerful, consistent flushes. It's quieter than expected, and it does a good job at cleaning the bowl with just one flush. The installation is very straightforward if you have a standard bathroom with a 12-inch rough in and an accessible power outlet. Most homeowners can install it themselves, but DeerValley also offers customer support and a 3-year warranty, which is assuring. Overall, the DeerValley delivers high level of comfort and functionality at its price point. The combination of automatic features, bidet capabilities, heated seats, and reliable flushing system makes it a strong choice for anybody wanting a reliable, modern, smart toilet. If you're upgrading your bathroom or looking for a more comfortable, hygienic experience, this is a solid and worthwhile option. To check out this smart DeerValley toilet, the DV-1S0159-V3, check out the description in the link of my video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.